Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 Auto Restart Problem Fix. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type chkdsk space, ccolon. Type exit from command prompt. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Create new key named as Windows Update. Right-click, created new key named as AU. Right-click new DWORD 32-bit value. Type no auto reboot with logged on user, N, A, W, L, O and U are capital letters. Change value data to 1, click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart Windows 11 system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.